Today I've been focusing on creating a small prototype for SpaceWise, my space mission simulator that I have to create an MVP in 6 months. And yeah, time is flying by very quickly. So yeah, it's a prototype about making a terrain and putting like a sky, beautiful sky, an environment, a beautiful landscape, and make it look kind of realistic. And yeah, I've been using pure code, pure C++, and some libraries like SDL, Glue, and yeah, that accesses the functions of OpenGL. So yeah, today is day 27 of creating my space mission simulator. So yeah, let's get it done. I'm gonna play you a clip right now of what has happened today because it has been a different day. Let me just tell you that.
Yo, what's up? I have just came back from school and there was no video in the morning, there was no time lapse, there was no anything because I just woke up extremely late because my alarm didn't go off. So this is my watch. It's like a Whoop, so it tracks your sleep and your health and everything, but it's also like an alarm, and it vibrates, you know? It vibrates when you have to wake up. And sometimes, bro, I don't know why, but maybe I'm too tired to even realize, but the watch vibrates and I don't wake up. So it's like I don't have an alarm, and my body sleeps until it wants to sleep. So yeah. Anyways, it is what it is. Maybe I was very tired and it was meant to be. But right now I don't have school today. So I'm gonna go to the gym tomorrow, and today I'm gonna work on SpaceWise. Right now I'm gonna make my food, eat, and get working. So let's get it, bro. Alright, so here is the food, the eggs and everything. But here we have 200 grams of chicken breast, one avocado, same as yesterday, but yeah, sardines in olive oil, and here we have a block of 99% dark chocolate. And here we have, as always, salt and a cup of water. So yeah, after this I'm gonna get working, and let's go. I'll see you then.
I'm gonna start working now, and what am I gonna do? Well, I'm gonna create a new project, and it's called, as you see here, environment test, and I'm gonna be doing just like the same. I'm gonna try to build the environment with AI, but I'm actually gonna try to understand now, and I'm creating a new project to start fresh. You know, I don't know. I think it's good to start fresh, so I'm gonna be doing it, and yeah, I'm gonna start the time lapse now, and it's gonna be like 2 hours of work before I have to edit this video, eat, and go to sleep. Let's get started. Alright, wait, let me just put the camera. Alright, I have just finished studying. It has been 2 hours and 9 minutes. It just went by like crazy. It was like 20 minutes for me, to be honest. it was really fun and exciting. I mean, it was interesting because I didn't know anything at the beginning, and as I started to learn more and to actually connect the previous knowledge that I have learned on the theory lessons and on the last days of the rendering pipeline, connecting that with this and like trying to understand the code and actually understanding and things clicking, bro, that's so good, bro. That gives me literally ecstasy. That's better dopamine than I don't know, watching an anime or something, or watching a movie or playing video games, bro. This dopamine is so much more gratifying. It's so good. So yeah, I'm actually just gonna take advantage of this, and I mean, that's not the best word, but I'm just gonna make this section of the summary right now because yeah, I don't have much more to say about today's day. Like, I've only worked for 2 hours. It has been on the afternoon, but yeah, I mean, only on school days I usually just work for 3 hours max. But well, let's get started now. Let's go. Let's get started. So let me just put this here and let you know. So as you see, a bunch of stuff I have wrote down, and so I have created, yeah, like, you haven't seen anything, I haven't explained you anything of this. So I have created a new project, and it has right now two classes, the app class and the terrain class. Here we have the main method, which just has the run method. If you click on it, you see that it comes here, and it has the while loop of the application. And yeah, on the app.h, if we go here, we have here that we start SDL2 and we start OpenGL. Here we have the window and the GL context. I don't really understand this fully, but I know that like everything here creates the SDL2, it creates the window, creates the context. I don't really know what is the context, but if something goes wrong, we have the error here, and it returns false on the function, which is nice, good to know if things don't go well. Then yeah, we have start OpenGL with glue over here, which is the library that I have included in the header file, which is here, glue. I have also, I also had to come here and put the directories, right, of my libraries. So these 2 dots and a backslash indicate that you're moving one directory backwards. So imagine if we go to, let's go here, for example. Yeah, the solution there, if you put it like this, like $1 and solution there, you will be on this, like this, in this place. And the 2 dots backslash means you go backwards. Now you're here. Then one more, now you're here. Then one more, now you're on the over here, and you can enter the external libs, which is where I have put everything. I have put every library that I have downloaded, and yeah. So we have glue, then this is for the additional library directories, so we should go to lib, release. I'm doing 32 bits, so 32, and we put it here. So I had to do this with every library. Then I had to go here and put some libraries and the name of the libraries separately. Then, I mean, I just copied and pasted it from the other program that I had, because at least the other thing I did it manually, I don't know why, but I did it. Then I also put the include directories, and that's basically it, so everything can work and the functions of SDL2 and OpenGL can be accessed. What else? Yeah, so then I created the terrain class with the help of AI, and here it is. Here are some methods, and I haven't really studied this. I haven't studied this. What I have studied is this, as you see, and like some programmers might say that these comments are not good, like they make the code more cluttered, and I agree, but this is not a program that I'm gonna put, like, this is not code that I'm gonna put on the outside of the world. Like, my point is that this is just code to study. to understand, right? I'm making this to understand the code, to explain, and yeah, to get a deeper understanding. But yeah, I just studied this. I asked ChatGPT or like Perplexity or whatever why things did work, why things didn't. If I had a question, like random question, I would just put it there as well. So let me just show you. Oh, so let's go here. This is my talk right now. So you see, I put the code and I tried to explain it. I asked it to explain it to me. And here it explains it. I try to read it. I get the key points. Then I try to, oh, please, yeah, nice. Then I try to explain it here, and I try to clarify. If we see this, like I couldn't understand like how two triangles made up a rectangle, but then I just went like I had a picture over here. I don't know where it is. Here. So I had this picture, and I just copied the link. And if I go, you see that two triangles make a rectangle, and then you can like create many pieces of like mesh. You can create mesh, which I think it's called. And yeah, here you create the vertices and you put the position of the vertices, which is x, y, z, and here you put the texture coordinates, which is u and v. These are naming conventions that are like used, and yeah, the vector would look like this. It would be the positions and then the coordinates, positions and coordinates, and then we would configure OpenGL so it can actually read it, and we would do it over here. As you see, here we configure the positions of the vertices, and here the coordinates of textures. I don't know if this is like what I'm highlighting. I don't know if it's fully correct, but that's what I understand now, and that's what makes more sense to me right now. Then, yeah, I just have everything over here, and the next thing I'm gonna do is continue with the plan to create a realistic, kind of realistic environment with a skybox, which is like a sky that is actually an image, but it makes the illusion of a beautiful sky and a beautiful horizon, and then up like a terrain which is completely flat, but I just want to have it there so I can put a model of a rocket, and render it, and then make the rocket fly out. And I want to make this animation for now. What else can I say? Yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna throw the trash, and then I'm gonna get my last meal of the day, which is 8 eggs. Sorry, again, 8 eggs and 200 grams of peanuts. And then I'm gonna edit this video and go to sleep. And tomorrow it's Saturday, and I'm gonna be studying math for my A-levels, so you won't see me there. But if you know Portuguese, you can check me out on my Ver channel. Because I'm doing the same, I'm documenting my journey on the Ver channel. Anyways, see you in a second. Let's go.
Alright, here we have the meal. Yeah, not a surprise. 8 eggs and peanuts. So yeah, let's get it done. And actually, this is the last clip you'll see. So, wish you a very good one, and bye bye. See you in the next video. Let's go.